Hi everybody, and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy. DieselDucy unboxing. Today we have a very interesting item. That's right, it's a new old stock Insignia Portable CD player. And the story behind this is, I found this brand new and sealed on the community table here at the apartment building, although the packaging is quite dirty. It includes 2 AA batteries, a pair of headphones. So, blister pack. There's some headphones in there, and there's the CD player. Portable CD player. That is old school. So now, we're gonna go and rip it open. Here we go. This box is filthy. There we go, we got it open now. And in the box, we have the instruction manual, Insignia Portable CD player. You have a whole manual that tells you how to use this portable CD player. Then you have what appears to be a very wonderful pair of over-the-ear headphones that kind of go behind the neck. It comes with 2 Insignia alkaline AA batteries. I wonder if these are any good. Let's see if we can find a date on this thing, a copyright date. Copyright 2014 Best Buy. So this is almost 10 years old. And here is the portable CD player itself. It actually looks like a very nice unit. Let's open it up. Yep, this is definitely brand new. Take this out. You can see the lens assembly. It says never touch the lens, and laser radiation. And the buttons are on the top. It's just made out of, it's pretty flimsy plastic. It's by no means, I'd say, super high quality, but this latch is like very flimsy, and there's the interlock. But nonetheless, I expect this to work. You have a dynamic bass boost system, volume, headphone and line out, and ooh, a hold button. Yeah, you can tell the quality here. See, the buttons are crooked. So yeah, this is obviously was a budget CD player with the name Insignia. I expect that. Let's see if it has a manufacturing date. No, made in China. So let's go ahead and open the battery lid here. One thing I do like is they have this little strap to make ejecting the batteries easier. I mean, also the fact it runs off AA batteries and not some lithium-ion battery dates this CD player. The lid doesn't stay open very well. Let's tuck the strap in. And let us get a CD to try this out. All right, we now have a CD to put in the CD player. Let's insert the disc in here, clamp it down. Let's press play and see what it does. It reads it real quick. You can hear it playing. It's got electronic shock protection. So it'll spin the disc up, read it, and then stop spinning for a while. Play, pause. You hear it spinning back up since I released the pause. Skip, listen. You hear it tracking. Let's turn the ESP on and off. You can hear it spinning up. Mode, repeat 1, repeat all. Intro, random, and then normal. Now we're going to check out the sound quality of this, or at least I will, because it's copyrighted music. pretty cool. It'll stay on standby. You press stop again to turn it off. Considering this was just free, I'll have to say this is a pretty cool piece of cheap retro tech. They were plugging the headphones into the portable CD player's headphone jack. And now we're going to put these headphones on and see how they sound. I do like the way these headphones feel. They're the over-the-ear type, they're nice and snug. But we're going to press the play button and let's hear the sound quality. These headphones sound like crap. These are bad. The only headphones I've heard that sound worse than these are the Sennheiser Ambeo Smart headset. Listen. See, it does not sound very good. Let's try something else. The headphones that came with this are terrible, y'all. Let's try these Apple EarPods that came with, I think this was my iPhone SE. These sound great. I will say the bass booster on this hits a little too hard. Turn off the bass booster, it sounds really good. Yeah, this is not the best bass booster, so I will have to say, for a free CD player, this was a pretty cool thing to find today on the community table. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of this vintage piece of cheap tech. So until next time, bye y'all. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.